Hi, this is Kari from Kari's Crafts. Today we are going to do a tutorial on how to work a foundation single crochet. Now I will admit this is not my favorite stitch. I usually prefer other methods. However, this does have its uses. Sometimes you will know the width of the project you want to make, but you're not really sure how many chains you need to make. And sometimes you just want to have a stretchier beginning row. Because sometimes if you just do a chain and then single crochet into that, it's not the stretchiest material. So anyway, we are going to start out. This is just worsted weight yarn and an H hook. You can use whatever size hook is appropriate for your yarn. And we are going to just start with a slip knot. Okay, so now we will start by chaining 2. So 1, 2, and we are going to put our hook into the first chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over again and just go through this first loop. That creates a chain. So now you're going to yarn over and pull through 2, and that creates a single crochet. And that's all there is to it. So now on the next one, we are going to go into this bottom chain part that we just made, but make sure you go through both of these loops here. Don't just go through this top one. Go through both of those. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 to create your chain, yarn over and pull through 2 to make your second foundation single crochet. We'll do that a couple more times. So you're going to go under both loops of the chain part here, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll do it one more time. And insert into the chain part, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, go through 1, yarn over, go through 2. So there you have it. We've got 4 single crochets made, or foundation single crochet I should say, and then you can just continue on as many times as you need to and create your project.